There are a lot of things to consider when buying any neckband earphones, and you don't want to waste your money by picking the wrong one. So today in this video, I'll be comparing the Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo and the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and here I have the shipping packages of these earphones. So let's unbox and see what is there. Starting with the design, I want to say that Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo is a well-designed earphone. We have foldable neckband. There are two modules at the end, like any typical neckband earphones, which have all the controls like play, pause, change tracks, etc. One small design detail could be noticed here is that we have textured lines on the module. On the build quality side, this is looking good. I'm using this for a month now and I haven't faced any problem yet. Whoa! I'm using it for 3 months now and still it is working fine. From the design perspective, this has much more flexible and comfortable neckband. It doesn't irritate at all. Although it doesn't have textured modules, but these plain ones also feel good. Talking about comfort and fitting, we have quite comfortable silicone ear tips. I can easily wear them for long duration, and the best part is the fitting. The shape of the buds is designed in a way that snuggles into the ears, so light running or walking won't be a problem. Oh, okay, I accept the fitting side is strong on you, but you can't touch this in terms of comfort. The silicone ear tips are way too comfy. I can easily wear them all day long. No pain, no discomfort, only music. Here on the feature side, we have magnetic buds with auto on and off, and as soon as you connect the two earbuds, it will automatically pause the playback. Then we have IPX4 water rating. One exclusive feature we get on the Realme products is the support for the Realme Link app. So here we can change what these multifunction buttons do, turn the gaming mode on or off, update the firmware, and we can change the sound type as well. Just like the Buds 2 Neo, this has magnetic buds with auto on and off. It will pause the playback when you connect them. Also, if you are on a OnePlus device, it will automatically play back whenever you turn these on. And slightly better IP55 rating to make things durable. Now there is no support for any sort of the OnePlus app, but we get dual pairing on these earphones. On regular edition, we have a physical button which we press twice, could switch between the two devices. On the base edition, there is no button, but we can go to the Bluetooth settings and select the device from there and it will switch the connections. To take the gaming experience to a new level, OnePlus has gaming mode with 100 milliseconds of delay and Neo has 88 milliseconds. Let's see. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Buds Wireless Z Base Edition. Now OnePlus doesn't have a noise cancellation mic, but the Realme does, so this should sound better. Moving to the battery life, we have unknown amount of battery mAh on this device, but it took me 2 hours and 10 minutes to charge full, and then I was able to get 11 hours of playback at 100% of volume. Also, there is fast charging feature on this, which means if you charge it for 10 minutes, it will give 100 minutes of playback. 2 hours of charging time. This one charges in 30 minutes and gives 12 hours of playback, and with fast charging, only 10 minutes of charge will give us 10 hours of playback. Talking about the most crucial part of any audio device, that is the sound quality itself. So for that we have 11.2mm driver on these earphones, which produces good sound quality. The bass is good, mids are there and highs are too. I mean, you can't complain about the price. We have sound type adjustment from the Realme Link app and they are pretty loud as well. On the OnePlus we have 9.2mm driver, which is a bit smaller, but in terms of sound quality it produces much better sound than the Realme. Bass is smoother and clearer, mids and highs are quite present, and they are even louder 15% from the Neo. Also, a tad bit clarity is there, although we cannot change the sound type, but I found all the genres to be perfect sounding. Neo is more oriented for the bass heavy genres and doesn't perform well in the acoustic and pop songs, but this one goes well with everything. I know the price difference is there, but if you worship the sound quality, then this one is for you. So if you ask me which would be best for you, then I want to say that both earphones are quite similar. There are one or two features give or take. Also on the sound quality side, they both sound good in terms of pricing. So if you have a limited budget of 1500 rupees and you are more into bass heavy genres, then Neo should be your choice. And if you can spare 500 rupees for the sound quality, then definitely pick the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Bass Edition. Now there is one more earphones that I would like to recommend to you, and that is this one. Go watch that. So that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.